I'm not going to make this video too long. I just wanted to give you a quick breakdown of what affiliate marketing is and the best places to find the products to get you going as quick as possible. Good? All right, let's go. Affiliate market is an online model of getting paid a commission to promote and sell other people's products and information. And what that means is you're online, you're looking to promote certain products, whether it be physical or digital. You're going to get paid a commission based on how much that product is. You sell a $100 product, you get paid 50% commission, you make $50 off that product. Okay? You get paid a portion of the sale once it's complete. So whenever that transaction is actually complete, that person pays for their product, you get paid your commission. There are many different types of products you can sell as an affiliate. What are the different types of products? Well, you can sell physical products through Amazon, and you'd be an Amazon affiliate. They paid about 4 to 7.5% of the item price. So ranging on if you're selling low items to pretty high amount of items, you know, it's not that high a commission, but you can sell items that are a couple $100, drones, kayaks, furniture, things like that, and you can buy off of Amazon. You know, it really does add up. Now, it's not that high, but as you scale, the higher amount of quantity that you sell, the more your percentage goes up, you know, as your commission. Now, what you do, you could also promote digital products. ClickBank, they offer a ton of different types of verticals or offers. Boom, ClickBank. All right, they're an easy one to get into. There's no kind of long approval process. You just sign up, it's free, and you come in here and you pick your products. So what you're going to do is once you sign up and get your account, you're going to go over here to the marketplace, pick whatever niche you're in, look through the products. I'll do another video that really breaks down the products and how to choose the best offers. But you pick your product, you decide to promote it, it'll tell you right there how much your commission is going to be. All right, 75% off of a $47 product. So each $47 product you sell, you get 75%. And that's how it breaks down for each product. All right, that's ClickBank. So the one you have is ClickBank. Another one you have JVZoo. Now these offers are mostly designed for the make money online niche, which is the niche I'm in, and they're all digital products. And let me show you what JVZoo looks like. All right, now before I go to JVZoo, let me show you Muncheye. This is a quick tip, muncheye.com. Now if you're looking to get into the make money online niche, the digital niche, you go to muncheye.com, and that breaks down JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Now all these are all the products that are on JVZoo Warrior Plus. You can sit here and find out what products are coming out to decide what you want to promote. All right, you pick a product that's on JVZoo. You head on over to JVZoo. You fill out an account. It's easy with them. It's free, and you'll come over here, go into their marketplace, look for the different products that you want to see. You know, Video Maker FX. Click on it. It'll tell you all their specifics. Again, I'll do another video on breaking down JVZoo, but I just wanted to show you JVZoo. You get an account, you come down here, you pick your products, and you request to be an affiliate. All right, it's real easy. You know, affiliate market is real easy. You pick the products, you promote the products, you get paid commissions. All right. So you have ClickBank, you have JVZoo, and you have the Warrior Plus. All right, same thing. Warrior Plus is designed for the make money online niche. It's all digital products, information products. And let me show you what that looks like. All right, you come over to Warrior Plus. It's free to get an account. If they do have a paid account where you can add your own signature and you can get into their forum, get a little bit more info, but you can start off with a free account with Warrior Plus. All right, so you go to their marketplace. You look for the different products that you see on Muncheye. You come over here, and it'll tell you the sales that are into it. Again, I'll do another video breaking down Warrior Plus a little bit better. I just want to kind of show you where to go. All right, you're looking for different products. You request your affiliate link. That you're requesting you're asking to be an affiliate to sell that product. All right. All right, so that was Warrior Plus. So you had ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Those are the three best places you can go to promote digital products. All right, now CPA offers, which I'll go over in way more detail in another video because I do affiliate marketing and I do CPA marketing. CPA marketing is when you're promoting cost per action offers. You know, you get somebody to put their email in, you get paid. They don't even have to buy anything with CPA, which is why I like that. That's a great niche to be in. All right. So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Okay. There's definitely more pieces of the puzzle, but let's not put the cart in front of the horse. You know, this is just a breakdown of what affiliate marketing is. You're promoting somebody else's product in order for you to get paid a commission. It's the easiest way to get into online marketing. All right. Now, if you're looking to get into marketing as an affiliate, you'll definitely need to learn how to create sales funnels. All right. That's the next step of the puzzle. You know, you have what that does is connects it all together. All right. You have your offer, you have how you're presenting the offer, the system, and you have the traffic. All right, those three things create a sales funnel when it comes to affiliate marketing. All right, so that was really quick. Just want to thank you for your time. If you gained a little bit of knowledge today, more than you had yesterday, please subscribe to my channel as I'll be doing more videos. Please like and comment below. You know, I love to hear from you and to see how I can help you in anything that you're trying to do online. All right, so thanks for that quick little bit of time, and I'll see you in the next video. Reach out to me on Facebook or on here, and I'll see you later. Thanks.